Hello Taurus, welcome to In Empress Tarot. Today I am going to read yours and theirs energy. Your energy and theirs means it could be a romantic partner, it could be your husband or wife, or it could be your parents or siblings or friends, it could be anyone. So, and the shared energy between you and them. So, let's start. So, show me the truth, only the truth for Taurus. What is their energy and the energy attached to them and the shared energy. Show me the truth, only the truth, nothing but the truth. Show me the truth, only the truth, and nothing but the truth. The Emperor, the Two of Cups and the Sun, the Queen of Wands, the Five of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles, the High Priestess and the Star and the Temperance. Okay. The Emperor, the Two of Cups and the Sun is your energy. You are feeling empowered and you are feeling very happy in connecting with this energy, and it gives you a lot of happiness. It's like a radiant energy coming into your life. But that the energy attached to the you is like kind of there is some lie and deception. So into that, their confidence they fake their confidence in front of you, and they want to give you an offer, but it is very slow. Actually, the Knight of Pentacles is here, the Queen of Wands, Five of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles. It is very slow moving energy towards you, and they fake their confidence in front of you so that they look very confident and brave and very successful person. So they fake that. There is some lie regarding that. They lie related to that. And the shared energy is the High Priestess, Star and the Temperance. So it's a very healing connection, and it's very intuitive, and it has involved, it's a connection in the higher realm. So it is involving a lot of healing energy, healing for both of you. Connected, yours is like your empowerment and your happiness, and theirs is like their confidence and their commitment. So let's see what is, let's clarify each energy. Show me the truth, only the truth and nothing but the truth. The Emperor, Two of Cups and the Sun. Let's clarify them. Show me the truth. Well, that's your energy, only the truth. Reverse energy is also possible. It could be that it's their energy, and second their energy could be your energy too. So take what is resonating for you. Ace of Swords. Show me the truth, only the truth, nothing but the truth. Again the Ace of Swords, Two of Cups and the Temperance. So it's like you're going through a lot of healing, and it's about your reality merging with their reality and the higher realms. Means you are very strong in your truth. Your truth is that you want to connect with them, and that is very healing for you. The Temperance is here and the Two of Cups is here. Okay, and the Ace of Swords, Two of Cups and the Temperance. You are very clear, and that it's your truth that this energy, by connecting with them, you feel lot of empowerment within you, lot of empowerment and lot of healing. The Temperance card denotes the merging of two realities, two truths, let me say. So that is creating a lot of healing for yourself and for your soul in a higher dimension. Okay, because the High Priestess is here, it is an intuitive card. It also brought you in connection with your intuition. So let's clarify their energy. They are like faking their confidence, and they want to show up as a very committed person to you. So that's why they are doing that. they are not being their authentic self. Let's clarify their energy. Show me the truth. Excuse me. Only the truth. Nothing but the truth. The Seven of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles. They want to, currently they are very confused about this connection. They are not able to make up their mind. They feel like they want to manifest something with you, but they are not very clear about what they want. At present, the Nine of Pentacles is here. They want to, their independent self, they are very confused about being independent and relying on the, that means they are caught between realities of being independent and what it means to depend on the universe to guide them. The Seven of Cups is here. Seven of Cups is also about manifestations and having a lot of options in their imagination and something which is not in reality. So they are like now wondering what they need to do in this connection, and there seems to be a lot of juggling between this, their independence and their they want to be independent. At the same time, they don't know how to invest in this connection. So they are very slow moving towards this connection. It is taking a lot of time for them, and so they are still in their way to gain their independence in their life. So that is creating a lot of confusion in their head about what to do about this connection. This seems to be you seems to be like you are in track with how you want to see, and you very straightforward with this connection, but this person is not. They are very confused about what to do with this. So let me clarify the shared energy. Show me the truth. Only the truth and nothing but the truth. Show me the truth. Only the truth. The High Priestess and the Star and the Temperance. Okay. There is a lot of healing and towards this connection, within this connection, for both of you. And finding your empowerment and authentic self. So let me clarify this shared energy. Seven of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, the Nine of Cups. So this is about building, understanding your wish fulfillment and your confidence in building up yourself. So the shared energy is about you both being able to confidently come towards each other and invest on each other to come together. So that is the shared energy here. So that is why there is a lot of healing going on between you two. There is a lot of healing energy in this connection. So it could be you seem to be wanting to eager to connect to them, and you even understand that this connection is bringing a lot of healing towards this situation. But they are not that clear. So it's a lesson for them to understand their wish fulfillment and their authentic self. Queen of Wands come off like someone who is very confident and passionate, and someone, the Queen of Wands is here. So that person is someone who's faking their confidence and passionate nature, has to understand their authentic passionate and confident self. That is the lesson, or that is the shared energy between you and them. It's not about faking it, it's about authentically being themselves, authentically creating what they want in their life. So that is the shared energy between you and them. So if you want, think of a question that you want to ask. I will pick up an answer from the Angel Answers Oracle deck. So if you want to pass the video, you can pass. So show me the truth, only the truth and nothing but the truth. What is the answer for Taurus? Show me the truth. Only the truth, nothing but the truth. Let go. It's time you let go of your anything that is holding you back from achieving your empowered self, achieving your happiness, because achieving you're already in your empowered self. Actually, you don't this could be about letting go of this, could about this person who's like holding on to a false self of them, who's holding on to show a brave side of them which is not true. They are like creating a false self in front of you, so that they need to let go of that. So that is a answer that I have for you. That's all I have for you. Thank you, Taurus. Thank you for watching. Take care.